Well, it is week 2 of Developmental Literacy Lab 3041. This week, you will be focusing on shared reading. Your learning outcome will be able to create and teach a shared reading lesson with one student. Your task overview is to read Chapter 4 in guided reading, which is entitled Shared and Performance Reading Across the Grades. You may also want to look back at Chapter 3 in guided reading. Please view all of the videos of shared reading and interactive read aloud in week 2 on Moodle. And there is an additional interactive read aloud included on Moodle in your lab class this week. Be sure to read the shared reading article from Reading Rockets and watch that video. And after viewing the videos, now you get to create and teach your own shared reading lesson. The following are the steps to complete your assignment. You are going to post both your lesson plan and the video link to YouTube to our discussion group. Remember the non-negotiables, that you are reading an enlarged text and that your student is able to easily see the text and illustrations. Now, remember, in shared reading, you're introducing and reading the book to the students the first time. When you make your video, you do not need to record the first reading of the text. After you have read the text to the students and they have listened to it, then on subsequent readings, they will chime in with you. All right, here we go. Step 1, choose a big book or enlarged text appropriate for your grade band. You can find big books at your local library. You can borrow them from classrooms in elementary schools. You can print off a small book from Reading A to Z and enlarge it. In the upper elementary, it is not uncommon to use shared reading with an informational passage to discuss the text features specific to that genre. So you will use your reading selection to plan your shared reading activities. Choose your grade level that is appropriate for your student. Now, you're going to create a 5-day plan for shared reading. And you can click on the link to get to the 5-day plan. You're only going to use 1 day to highlight in your video. You're only videoing a single lesson plan. So you teach it, videotape it, post the lesson plans, the 5-day plan, and your video link to our discussion board. You may want to use Screencast-O-Matic to record your video and upload it to YouTube. You can record up to 15 minutes free on Screencast-O-Matic. Your video is due by Saturday at 11:59 p.m. Your video is worth 40 points and it's scored using the week 2 rubric posted on Moodle, which is specific to shared reading. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to email me. I look forward to your videos. Thank you.